I'm Sid Curran and I'm the General Manager of Curran Plumbing. So we were approached by Bluescope Steel in early January to help with a leaking water main. They were losing hundreds and hundreds of litres of water, and the water main that was leaking was located underneath a rail corridor. It had all sorts of infrastructure on top of it. It would have taken months, more than likely, to get it traditionally fixed, which is by digging up and replacing. We were able to ascertain some products from Switzerland, which allowed us to basically install a new pipe through the existing pipe. And what we've got today is some samples of the Sunny Tube liner that we've used. It's designed for high pressure water systems, but it can also be used on gas and petroleum lines as well, ranging from 80 millimeters in diameter to 400 millimeters in diameter. And we can continuously install these lengths of liners up to 1 kilometre in length. It's a fantastic design. It's guaranteed for 50 years. And we managed to save Bluescope Steel a lot of heartache and downtime with the water being shut off. We were able to pull this off within 48 hours. Step one was to meet with the guys at Bluescope and review some of the plans that they had of the area. And that way we could get a better idea of what we're up against. So once we'd done the assessment, Bluescope decided to go ahead with our solution. And so the next step was to order in what we needed from Switzerland. So the line that we were prepared to reline had a change in diameter. So it was a custom product that we had to import. And we're able to do that in 2 weeks due to our pipeline suppliers. They really helped us out. So it was a quick turnaround. It was a finite amount of time. We had a 48-hour window. So all of our team members that were attending the site knew exactly what they needed to do, and were able to do it efficiently and effectively. So once we were on site, the first process was to get access to the pipe. So we had a crane remove the spools. Once the spools were removed, we were able to then assess the line with our tractor camera, which is a camera that we can drive down the pipeline and do a full video survey. From the video survey, we found that the line needed a bit of cleaning, so we used high pressure water to descale the lines and clear away all the scale and rust that was inside the cement line pipe. Once that was all clean and clear and ready to go, we put through our tow cable, which was going to be the line that was going to help pull in our protective jacket and our liner. First, we pulled into place our polyester yarn. Now, this was just an extra measure for protection because we did have a diameter change in the pipelines. We wanted an extra layer of strength to contain the line and contain the pipe, and also increase the minimum bursting pressure from 25 bar to 35 bar. Kind of like a safeguard to know that what we were putting in the ground was definitely going to work. And the liner came pre-folded on a spool, ready for us to pull through the line. The fact that it was able to fold into half the diameter of the pipe made it an ease to pull through. Once we had the Sunny Tube liner pulled into place inside the jacket, at either end, we then proceeded to block off one end and fill the other with compressed air. Now, we needed to fill this line with compressed air to break the tape that had been holding it folded into place. So once it slowly pressurized itself, it broke the tape and was able to fold out and then expand into the diameter of the pipe. Once the liner is folded out, the diameter of this liner flat is larger than the pipe, so therefore it was really rigid. It stayed in its place and we didn't really have any movement at all. We tested it for 2 hours under pressure, made sure we were all clear. After the pressure test, we then deflated the line and put on our couplers to adapt to the existing pipeline. We put the spools back into place, and then we slowly started to fill the line with water. After another test of 1.5 hours, we gave it the green light to go live. So with any large project, there are some challenges that we came across. We did have a slight delay with the crane. We had a change in direction multiple times with the line that we were relining, and the weather was just absolutely horrific. But we were able to pull together as a team, and we had contingencies in place to allow for this and overcome it, and it turned out really well. At Curran Plumbing, our priority is to deliver a top-notch service. We were able to get the repairs done within the time frame that we had. In addition to this, we saved our client a lot of time, resources, and at the end of it, they were really happy with the outcome. Curran Plumbing specialises in a large variety of pipe relining, from commercial applications such as this one, all the way down to the small residential fixes. If you're interested in some of the solutions we can offer, call our team on 1300 792 082.